Sometimes all a design needs is one strong focal frame to completely transform the layout. Today, how to create focal point frame compositions. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert one large frame in the center area and place your primary image inside, adjusting the crop carefully to highlight the subject. Add two smaller supporting frames near the edges for balance. Select the background and apply a soft muted gradient or neutral tone. Duplicate the main frame, enlarge it slightly, and place it behind with reduced opacity to create layered depth. Add subtle line accents pointing toward the focal image with low opacity. Use position tools to align everything while preserving